Hello everyone. So welcome to our channel InfoScholar. Today I'm going to discuss about how do we cite our references in a manuscript. In the previous two videos, so I've discussed about what are the different set of conferences, where you can submit your manuscript, which is having your in which are Scopus indexed and at the same time, which is having your high acceptance rate. Now, while writing a manuscript, it may be your review or it may be your experimental work. So we need to cite certain references. Okay, because when you are referring some other's work, it's mandatory to cite that author name or to cite that paper in your manuscript. Okay. Now, Mendeley. So it's a specific type of software, and it's a free license software which can be used for citing those references in your manuscript. Okay. Now, when I say citations, because in your manuscript, so you may have like 20, 30 references. Okay. So just to have citations in a serial manner. Okay. So your automatic referencing. Okay. So automatic referencing. And now each journal, so it may be your materials today, it may be your any other publication IEEE format. So each journal has its own style of its citations. Okay, so if you keep on working on that format, okay, manually, it will take a lot much time, and you will waste a lot of time for that referencing itself. So in order to overcome that, Mendeley will plays an important role. Okay, to automatically convert your referencing style as per your journal format. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how do we cite your references in your Word document first thing. And with respect to journals, I will choose 2 to 3 different types of journals. Okay, how to choose that different types of journals, that means in which you're going to submit a manuscript in your Mendeley, and how your references is going to change automatically. Okay, so just stay online. Okay, just I will go to that Mendeley site. Okay, now if you open this one, okay, let me share the screen. Right. Now this is nothing but a Mendeley desktop. Okay, so here, so we have different things. Okay, now when you look at this library, okay, so recently added all documents, my library. So these are the different set of papers that I have added. Okay, so I'll show you how to add your references, that means the papers which we have been downloaded for that manuscript. So for that, what we'll do, I'm going to create a folder over here. So I'm giving certain name called like trial, okay, or practice, you can say. Okay, just I'm giving a name for that folder. Okay, I'm clicking in that. So I'm opening this. Okay, now the first thing what I do is I need to add my paper, okay, which need to be cited in my manuscript. Okay, so what I'll do for that, so I'll go to this add. Okay, so if you look on the left hand side corner, so there is a button called as add. I'm going to that add. Okay, now just I will add any paper, research paper. Okay, we just I'm adding one paper over here. Okay, so it came over here. Okay, that means the paper which has been taken from my laptop, so it came automatically into my Mendeley. Now what I need to do? Now I need to open my Word document. Okay, where my manuscript is there. Okay, so suppose if you want to place that reference over here after requirements. Okay, now in that case, so what you'll do? So just click on that. Okay, so then you go to this insert min. So it will be like this. Go to references, go to insert citation. Insert citation. If you look at here, go to Mendeley. Now you click on that paper which has been uploaded. Click on that and go for cite. Okay, now what we'll do is it will come one over here. Okay, Similarly, if you want to go for any other paper, similarly go upload your second paper also. Okay, I have uploaded my second paper as well. Now similarly I need to cite that paper also. So if I want to cite my paper at this point after shell formations, then again what will I do? The same procedure. Insert citation, go to Mendeley, click on that particular paper, go for citation. So it will come 2 here. Okay, so it's in a serial manner 1, 2. Suppose if you want to paste or if you want to cite any paper in between 1 and 2. Okay, just understand here. If you want to cite any paper in between 1 and 2. Okay, suppose I want to just first I need to upload that paper which need to be cited. Okay, so let it be this one. Okay, not that. Just let me do this one. Okay. Yes, it has been uploaded here. Okay. Now if you want to cite that paper in between 1 and 2. Okay, so let it be here after and just to show here. So again, same procedure, go to insert citation, go to Mendeley and cite. Okay, now what happens here? So it will take automatically 2 here and the next one will come automatically 3. Okay, so that means even if you forgot citing any paper in between, so you can do it later stage also, and it will come in a serial manner automatically without any problems. Okay. Now this is our 1, 2 and 3. Okay. Now if you want to have these citations at your bottom, usually in your bibliography we should write now. So I'm going to the bottom of my manuscript. So after conclusion, I'm writing here like references. And I'm going insert bibliography. If you look at this on the top. So if you click on insert bibliography, okay, so it will come automatically these 3. Okay, so that's how you need to go for your citations. Okay, now, so here if you want to talk about, now the next thing is I want to talk about your what are the different styles of your journals, because we have a number of journals. Okay, so we can, if you want to publish your paper in one, suppose if it is in a materials today. Okay, now this style, if you look at this style here, so here what I selected, I have selected materials today proceedings. Okay, automatically. So the format which has been shown at the bottom, this one, is nothing but your materials today for proceedings. Okay. Now if I want to publish my paper in some other journal, it will be IEEE format, IEEE journals. For that I need to select here IEEE here. Okay, that means go to style, click on here and click on IEEE. Okay, then what happens? So my format will change automatically. If you look at your references 1, 2 and 3, so initially it was different, now it has been changed completely. This is the format of your IEEE. Okay, now the next thing is, so if you go to this style, here we have only very few journals. Okay, suppose if you want to add any other journal which is not in this list here, which has been mentioned over here, what I'll do for that, I'll go to more styles. Okay, more, I'll go to column of here. So click on your get more styles. Okay, so you search any journal. So I'm searching here, let it be Journal of Petroleum Science and Engineering. Okay, this is one journal. Okay, so once you select that journal, so it will go click on install. Okay, so it's staying installed here. Okay, now in order to select this journal, what you'll do is, see, if you look at the first left hand side, it mentioned installed. Okay, so if you look at this, so here that journal will get installed here. So select on Journal of Petroleum Science and Engineering. Okay, now click on use this style. Okay, then what happens here? So it is changing automatically here. Previously we got 1, 2, 3, but as per your, if you look at this style, it's your Journal of Petroleum Science and Engineering. So as per that journal, your references has to be in these citations. Okay, similarly, if you look at this, the citations where you have mentioned 1, 2 and 3. Okay, here also it will change automatically. You don't need to change anything from your side. Okay, so your Mendeley will take it automatically no matter what type of journal you're going to publish. Just you need to select that particular journal style, and the rest of the things will be done by your Mendeley itself. Okay. So I'll show you one more example with respect to other type of journal. Similarly, go to tools, view, citation style. Okay, click on more styles, get more styles here. I'm going with the Journal of Chemistry. Okay, this is one journal, SCA journal. Install. Okay, it's got installed. Now what you will do, I go to this installed column, Journal of Energy Chemistry, and use this style. Okay, if you look at this, okay, so what is happening? So if you look at that reference, okay, so it has been changed here. Okay, so that means that's how you select different types of your journals. 1 minute. Okay, so this is how you select different types of your journals. Okay, now that means with respect to journals, your references will change automatically. Okay, let me try with any other. So if you look at this style here, it's saying Chand, Joomla, first authors came. Okay, now if you want to change this pattern, or if you want to go for any other journal, so what will do, mu again, citation style. Okay, if you go with progress in organic coatings. Okay, this is one SCA journal which is having impact factor of let it be 4 point something. Okay, now in that case, again, this is my style here, so I'm changing progress in order. So again, you're getting 1, 2, 3 here. Okay, similarly, the top reference which has been cited already, it also will come back again to 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so this is your main advantage of a Mendeley software. It will save a lot of time for your references, because like if you keep on submitting this paper in different journals, okay, once you get rejected in the other journal, you have to spend a lot of time in changing the format of reference if you do it manually. But this software will do it within seconds. The only thing is you need to upload all those papers in your Mendeley itself. Okay, so thank you. So if you haven't subscribed our channel, please do subscribe, and we keep on posting all the information regarding what are different types of journals which has high acceptance rates, and the upcoming conferences. Okay, so all those information will be uploaded in your channel itself in the coming days. Thank you.